Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here with 3 minutes of mini reverse arm circles. You don't need any equipment, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we're going to begin by placing your arms out to the side and place those palms facing up, and let's begin. So we have 3 minutes of mini reverse arm circles here. We are targeting those arms, those biceps, and those shoulders here. So keep it moving here, keep your arms moving. You can do this standing up, sitting down, in a chair, wherever you want to do this. You can even do this on the couch watching TV. So keep your palms lifted up here and keep it moving. Those mini little arm circles here. Doing all these little 3-minute arm workout videos will really add up. You can create and customize your own workout here on my channel. I have a lot of different arm workout videos. So build your own workout plan here. Every single one of my workout videos is very customizable. So we've gone 1 minute and we have 2 more minutes to go. Look how quickly that went by. Went by quicker than you know it. Soon we'll be done. And of course you can always repeat this video if you want to. Or you can even pair this with the other arm circle videos that I have. I have another one that I also filmed outdoors. Not in Lamy, New Mexico, but back in Texas. And how do you like the great scenery out here in Lamy? We got some mountains behind me. Beautiful open sky, that wide open sky. You can see the mountains and all of the desert plants. So keep it moving here. Mini arm circles. Keep up the great work. If you don't want to stay in place, you can always march in place or you can walk around a little bit. Sometimes I like to do that when I'm doing arm circles. Provides a little bit of a distraction when you are moving around, which is always nice. It takes away from focusing on arm pain. Okay, we got 1 more minute to go. We've done 2 minutes. Keep it up. You're almost done. You may even see a little mini lizard out on the ground. If you look, I see some running around. It's always cool to see all the desert wildlife, plants and animals. So keep it moving here. Keep moving those arms. Keep them lifted up the entire time. We don't have that much longer, so keep it moving here. Even if you got to move side to side here to distract yourself, don't put those arms down. We're almost done. Keep it moving, we're almost done. We only have a little bit left to go, so don't stop now. You'll be proud of yourself when you have finished this workout. Y'all are doing great. 3 minutes and not putting your arms down. Keep it moving here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all on Friday. Bye.